Hey my besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. Happy New Year, loves. So in today's video I will show you all how I make my daughter's hair. Okay, right here we are using this candle. It is her leave-in condition. I use that. Then inside this bottle I added castor oil and coconut oil. I mix those two combo together. It's really amazing for her hair. Then right here is our hair pomade. Okay, it's TBC hair pomade. It's for natural hair and also her kind of hair. It has vitamin E inside, which is very good for our hair. So I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy method of making a toddler's hair. Yeah, I know this video is different, so please keep on watching. So loves, after I have moisturized her hair, I'm going to pat it. It's not easy combing or making a toddler's hair, okay, but I try so much hard to make her feel really comfortable. Now she's comfortable playing with the phone, so I'm going to be cutting her hair. Like the lines might not be straight, okay, so because of her hair texture is really different from 4C hair. Okay, so when you are cutting her hair texture, you might not get like a very fine defined line, if you understand what I'm saying. If you have a mixed baby, you understand what I'm trying to say. All right, so this is what I'm doing. I'm just going to use this hair packer to pack the tips of her hair, then I will braid it. After braiding it, I will also use another packer to pack the other ending of her hair. Why am I using another packer to pack the ending of her hair? So that the braids don't lose, because if I should pack it and leave it like this, under few minutes the braid will lose. So if you have a child's hair that her hair is really silky, okay, and you want to braid your daughter's hair, do it this way. Your daughter's hair will not lose, because anytime I make her hair like this, she carries this for a week before you start seeing like that's it being loosed and rough. Okay, so this is what we are doing right here, and I hope you enjoyed this video with us. And hair video, my natural hair video will be coming up. I'm still trying to put one or two things together. Happy New Year, guys. I'm starting this new year with uploading a video from of my daughter's hair. Yeah, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video with us. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment love. So let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about the hair. Please watch to the end. Okay, please watch to the end. So as I said earlier on, I will pack the beginning of the hair, then I'll pack the tips of the hair. This hairstyle is pretty simple. Okay, it's really simple. So we are almost done with her hair. I'm just trying to go fast while she's still distracted watching her phone. Okay, this is the only way I can be able to braid her hair. Okay, then. So love, this is what we have. This is what her hair looks like. Let me know in the comment section what do you guys think. Yeah, I know some of them are big, because if I cut it so little, okay, the braiding is gonna be tiny. So I wanted the braiding to be very bulky. Okay, this is what we have. This is a simple hairstyle your kids can use and go to school, and they'll look super cute. Let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about the hairstyle, and we will see you all in our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share, and comment, and I'll see you all later. Bye guys.